TikTok has become a major platform for creators to build an audience and monetize their content. Here's how you can take advantage of it. 1. Grow your followers. The first step is to build a solid following. TikTok's algorithm promotes content that gets good engagement, so focus on creating short, engaging videos. Pick a niche that you're passionate about, whether it's fashion, fitness, cooking, or comedy. Consistency is key. Post regularly and engage with your audience by replying to comments, joining trends, and using trending hashtags and sounds. The larger your following, the more opportunities you'll have to monetize. 2. TikTok Creator Fund. Once you've built an audience, you can apply for the TikTok Creator Fund. This program pays eligible creators based on the views and engagement their videos receive. To qualify, you need at least 10,000 followers, 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, and be 18 years or older. While it's not the most lucrative method, it's a great starting point for making money directly from your content. 3. Brand partnerships and sponsored content. Brand deals are one of the most popular ways to make money on TikTok. Once you have a substantial following, brands will approach you to promote their products or services. You can also reach out to brands that align with your niche. Sponsored posts can pay well, especially if you have a highly engaged audience. When creating sponsored content, make sure it aligns with your personal brand. Authenticity is important. Your audience will respond better to genuine recommendations rather than content that feels overly promotional. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another way to make money on TikTok. You promote a product or service, and if someone purchases it through your unique link, you earn a commission. Many companies offer affiliate programs that are easy to join. All you need to do is share links in your bio or direct viewers to click on your profile link. 5. Selling your own products or services. If you have your own business or side hustle, TikTok is an excellent platform to promote it. Whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or even offering services like consulting or coaching, TikTok can help drive traffic and sales. Create videos that showcase your products, explain their benefits, or share testimonials from happy customers. For physical products, you can use TikTok's Shop feature, where users can browse and purchase items directly from the platform. This makes it easier for your audience to shop without leaving the app. 6. Live streaming and virtual gifts. TikTok allows creators to go live and receive virtual gifts from their viewers. These gifts can be converted into real money. To start earning through live streams, you need at least 1,000 followers. During your live stream, viewers can send you gifts like coins, which can be exchanged for cash later. The more engaging your live content is, the more gifts you're likely to receive. Live streaming is also a great way to build a deeper connection with your audience, answer questions, and get real-time feedback on your content or products. 7. Promoting music. TikTok is known for making songs go viral. If you have a following, music artists and labels might pay you to use a particular song in your videos to help promote it. This type of partnership is especially common with creators in the dance or music niches. You can get paid simply by integrating a song into a trending challenge or creative video, helping the artist gain exposure. 8. Crowdfunding and Fan Support. If you have a loyal fan base, you can also turn to platforms like Patreon, Ko-fi, or Buy Me a Coffee to let your followers support you directly. In exchange for financial support, you can offer exclusive content, behind-the-scenes footage, or personalized shoutouts. TikTok creators often use this method to build an extra income stream while offering their most dedicated fans something special. 9. TikTok Ads Program. Another way to monetize is through TikTok's ads program. If you're a business owner or looking to promote your own products, you can run ads on TikTok. By investing in ads, you can grow your following or drive more sales to your business. You don't make money directly from TikTok ads, but they can be a way to scale your business or promote affiliate offers, ultimately leading to higher revenue. TikTok offers plenty of opportunities to make money, but it all starts with building an engaged audience. Whether you leverage the Creator Fund, brand deals, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products, the platform is a powerful tool for creators to monetize their content and grow their business. Keep posting regularly, be authentic, and experiment with different ways to engage your audience to maximize your earning potential.